welcome back to Shakuntalam classes exclusively for B.Ed studies. So friends, today I am going to discuss 25 questions from English pedagogy which is going to play a very important role in your exams. So your English pedagogy exam is going to be on 8th of October. So let's get started. The first question is, the Education Commission pleaded by dash stress the need for studying English as a compulsory subject to acquire at least a working knowledge of English. Option A, Dr. G.S. Kothari. Option B, N.K. Singh. Option C, S.R. Bomai. And option D, V.R. Gonak. So the correct answer is G.S. Kothari. Coming on to the next question. Learning a language is a matter of option A, skill, option B, process, option C, adjustment, and option D, method. So the correct answer is option A, skill. Next question is, in the system of language teaching and learning, the system of constructing words is called option A, morphology, option B, phonetics, option C, semantics, and option D, syntax. So the correct answer is morphology. Coming on to the next question. Children listen to their language right from option A, birth, option B, their mother, option C, families, and option D, circumstances. So the correct answer is option A, birth. Children listen to their language right from their birth. Coming on to the next question. Language can't function without a proper option A, situation, option B, pupil, option C, teacher, and option D, skill. So the correct answer is option A, situation. Language can't function without a proper situation. Coming on to the next question. Dash helps in learning the language. So the options are motivation, option B, grammar, option C, skill, and option D, teaching. So here we can use our presence of mind, and the answer will be option A, motivation. Motivation helps in learning the language. Coming on to the next question. Dash says language learning is essentially a habit forming process. Option A, Palman, option B, F.G. French, option C, Bloomfield, and option D, Edward Spin. So the correct answer is option A. Palman says language learning is essentially a habit forming process. Coming on to the next question. Dash alone enables the learner to acquire the habit of speaking the knowledge. Option A, practice, option B, nature, option C, skill, and option D, method. So the answer will be option A, practice. Practice alone enables the learners to acquire the habit of speaking the language. Coming on to question number 9. A foreign language should be taught. Option A, in situation, option B, in classroom, option C, at home, and option D, in open field. So the answer will be option A, in situation. This will be the best way to teach a foreign language. Coming on to question 10. Since a language is learned in a natural way, therefore, dash is the first teacher. Option A, mother, option B, guide, option C, instructor, and option D, family member. So the correct answer will be Option A, mother. Coming on to question 11. Practice and drill is essential in language training for option A, pronunciation, option B, reading, option C, learning, and option D, writing. So practice and drill is essential in pronunciation of language teaching. Okay. The next question is that language is a skill which depends on continuous practice is quoted by option A, Thorndike, option B, A.S. Hornby, option A, option C, F.A. Claus, and option D, Edward Spin. So the correct answer will be option A, Thorndike. Coming on to the next question, a language involves a sequence and a option A, ratio, option B, pattern, option C, structure, and option D, syntax. So the correct answer will be option A, ratio. A language involves a sequence and a ratio. Coming on to question 14, Dash formulates the rules and principles of the language in option A, grammar, option B, structure, option C, method, and option D, syntax. So the correct answer is option A, grammar formulates the rules and principles of the language. Question 15 says the only basis of correctness in a language is the uses of its native speaker. So who has said that the only basis of correctness in a language is the uses of its native speakers? So options are C.C. Fries, option B, F.G. French, option C, R.A. Close, and option D, Edward Spin. So the correct answer will be option A, C.C. Fries. Question number 16 is Dash serves the functions of a language. Options are option A, vocabulary, option B, structure, option C, grammar, and option D, pattern. So the correct answer will be option A, vocabulary serves the function of a language. Question number 17 is speaking skill is the ability to speak English. Option A, intelligibly, option B, confidently, option C, courageously, and option D, attentively. So the correct answer will be option A, intelligibly. Though there is no such word called intelligibly, but since it is given in the option, so you have to go for it. Coming on to question 18, in the writing skill, the student master the mechanics of writing, the use of elementary punctuation marks, and dash. So the options are capital letter, option B, structure, option C, method, and option D, none. So the correct option will be option A, capital letter. Question number 19 is language is essentially a option A, head forming process, option B, receiving subject, option C, skill subject, and option D, learning process. So the correct answer will be option A, head forming process. Coming on to question 20, learning a foreign language requires, again this question is repeated, but there is no problem with that. Option A, practice, option B, skill, option C, knowledge, and option D, fact. So the correct answer will be option A, practice. Coming on to question 21. There are dash general aims of teaching English at the school stage. Option A 4, option B 5, option C 3 and option D 9. So the correct answer is option A. There are 4 general aims for teaching English at the school stage. Coming on to question number 22. In the grammar translation method, dash of the pupil is neglected. Option A speech, option B skill, option C writing and option D hearing. So the correct answer is option A speech. In GTM method, speech of the pupil is neglected. Coming on to question number 23. In the grammar translation method, the teaching of a language start with the teaching of. Options are option A reading, option B writing, option C speaking and option D proficiency. So the correct answer will be option A reading. Coming on to question 24, the grammar translation method attempts to teach English by option A rules, option B skill, option C function and option D use. So the GTM method attempts to teach English by option A rules. Coming on to the last question of this MCQ session, which is not given. What is Ola? Now nobody is going to tell me that Ola is that cab which is running around the cities. I am asking what is Ola in context of the English language teaching. So please tell me in the comment section. And this is all for today. I hope you are preparing well. Take a good care of yourself and all the best for your exam. Thank you, friends.